Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 357. That's like eight episodes left. 8 episodes. We're at the Hash House A Go-Go.
Say that again.
Hash House A Go-Go.
A bit faster.
Hash House A Go-Go. Anyway, we're gonna eat some breakfast. Neve found us this place. We're gonna try something new. It's a late start to the day. It's like 11, which is checkout time. Couldn't get these girls up. I've been up since like 8.
I've been up since like 9:30.
9:30 for the second earliest.
You called me awake for like 25 seconds.
25 seconds she was awake. Anyway, we're gonna grab some lunch, and then I guess we're going to some antique mall. Antiques, collecting antiques. What do you think of that? Anyway, we'll see you in a few. Oh, the other cool thing they do is they take a picture of you. Hash House A Go-Go.
It's a little postcard that you can
Little
send
postcard.
out. Hey, see my shirt? Neve got it for me for
Betty
Christmas.
Boop, America's sweetheart. Look at that. She's got all new clothing. Just leave her for a couple days and she comes back a whole new person.
Woohoo!
All right, next stop, Antique Mall. I honestly have no idea why we were here. This was a Mama Badger, I gotta go do this thing. So we're gonna go check out the Antique Mall. Maybe I can find something cool. All right, I really want this at my house. Check this thing out. How freaking cool is that? That thing would look awesome in my backyard. Okay, I think I need this in the house too. Look at that thing. How freaking cool is that? It's huge. I can put my head on top. Can you see me now? All right, I'm wearing down. The girls are going full bore, but there is a lot. There's a lot. Go that way. There's a lot of, go that way. There's a lot of stuff here. All kinds of Mickey stuff. Makes sense. We're in just outside of Disney World. Oh, check this out. Harley Davidson display. Okay, that's pretty cool. I've got an idea. I have an idea. Alright, so here is my idea. I would take this Harley Davidson display here, and I would take and put my RC cars on each level. So this could hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 cars on each side. So I would just need to get like 14 cars to fill it up. But I thought that'd be like a really cool place to put my cars and display them. What do you think? Should I buy it? Check out this section. Those are pretty cool.
Nope.
Universal Studio stuff. Check out this sign that says, "Please do not step over." This is well over my waist. You'd have to be pretty tall to step over it. Just saying. If you're a Disney fan and you want to own a piece of Disney, like they have all these props and everything. Check out the Aladdin rug. All this. It's for sale. So look at all this stuff up here.
I don't know, a green thing? A contemporary resort green side table.
Pretty cool store. When you're done and you're trying to get Mama Badger out of the store, you block, like so she can't see stuff on one side or the other.
Okay, yeah, that's super cool, Mom. It doesn't go with the decor.
Where would you put the tree?
Yeah.
Where would you put the tree?
I'm gonna just stick my hands around.
And this is how you get Mama Badger out of an antique store. All right, we made it home, back from Orlando. We had an awesome time at the Pink concert. The girls loved it. Angie and Nerdy Badger had an awesome time hanging out at Universal Studios all weekend. They did this special thing. So it was a nighttime thing. They could get in at like 5 or 6 o'clock, and it went till like midnight, 1 a.m. All you could drink, and the park was closed to normal visitors. So you had to have this pass to get in. What was it? Friday night and Saturday night? Friday night and Saturday night. And so with these passes, basically you got in the park. It was pretty empty, so there wasn't as many lines. So they got to ride pretty much everything they wanted to ride. All they could eat and drink was all included in this pass. So that's what they did on Friday and Saturday. And then Sunday night, of course, Baby Badger and myself met them up there. We went to the Pink concert. It was awesome. Everybody had a fantastic time. And then as you saw today, we actually stopped. That place was in Lakeland, Florida. So we stopped in Lakeland at that antique place. And man, that place was pretty freaking cool, right? You saw some of the video. They had some really cool memorabilia from Disney World and all in there. I'm not a big Disney person. I feel like they have a mouse problem. Yeah, bad dad joke. Anyway, man, the projects are starting to pile up. So you're going to see a lot of those in the coming weeks. So, of course, we've got the 99 Fat Boy here that is just waiting to be done. We're waiting on parts so that I can finish up the V-Rod here. As you guys saw last week, the 88 Jeep just quit. Like, it was idling in a parking spot and it just died and it will not start. And I haven't had a chance to, all I've done is check the fuses. So all the fuses are good. I know that's not the problem. So I haven't checked any further. I'm pretty sure there's no fire because I do have starting fluid. I put starting fluid in it. It did not fire up. So that would lead me to believe that it's going to be a fire issue, right? There's only 3 things you need for a motor to run, right? Fuel, fire, air. I know it's getting air. And I put fuel in it essentially, and usually if you spray starting fluid in it, it'll start up and die. But then you know you have, fire. So I don't have fire. That's what's missing, and I just got to figure out why I don't have fire. I hate the electronics on this year model. They're just, the whole system is wanky. I had this kind of the same system on an old Pontiac Fiero I had. I believe it's had a 2.5 in it too. But I remember we had an issue with it at one time, and it was just a pain in the ass to chase down. So I think the whole 2.5 early years throttle body injection, the whole thing was just wonky. And anyway, this weekend, I did notice on my video from yesterday that Chip from the hobby shop said that Friday they are going to have the track closed because they're having a swap meet. So I'm not going to take my buggy to the track on Friday, but I probably will go down just to check out the swap meet and see what's going on. Maybe meet some of the local RC guys, all that fun stuff. So I think I'll go check that out for sure. And then maybe Friday I'll just load up the T-Max and go to that Basher track I heard about. That's like 30 minutes from the house. So I'm thinking I'll probably do that on Black Friday. And then Wednesday, so we're working tomorrow, and then we're taking Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. So Wednesday, I think I will probably go to the track if they're open and they're cool with that, and try out the buggy a little bit. So only 2 days. I'm pretty excited about that. Anywho, I am exhausted. Traveling like that is exhausting. Going to concerts and then being up till 2, 3 in the morning. I'm exhausted. And then we spent like 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours in that antique place. There was lots of cool shit to look at, but now I'm tired. So that is it. The end. I'm out of here. We'll see you guys tomorrow.